They're known for their survival skills and for the deadly poison they use on their blowpipe darts. The Panan. The Tajem tree, or Antiaris toxicaria, grows up to 40 meters high. It's widespread all over South Asia and tropical Africa. In its raw form, the sap is deadly when it enters the bloodstream, causing lethal cardiac arrhythmia. But through a special refining process, the Panan make it even more powerful. It is then fatal in less than 2 minutes, depending on the size of the prey. It's ideal for hunting, as it doesn't contaminate the meat. To make the poison even more powerful, the Panan follow a special recipe. They combine several plants in specific proportions. The darts are then coated in the poisonous mixture, dried by the fire, and are ready to use. It's become harder to find due to human activities around the border of the park. Blowpipe hunting is a matter of stealth and patience. It is time for me to leave the Panan, a people for whom kindness, generosity and courage is a way of life. Their ingenuity and the elegant solutions they employ to thrive in some of the most challenging and complex environments must not be lost.